Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey guys, Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today we're going to have a look at LTC auto mining that continues to provide daily income for me. Let me take you back to history. I started on the 25th of November 2022, and so far my deposit is up $2,279. And my latest deposit was made 24th of May of $33.22. Now basically this money has been all my profit that I have reinvested, and this is why I'm making this video, to show you what you can do with any profits or balance that you have in your account. Now in this case I've got $39.66. Now I want to show you how you can reinvest anything that you have in your balance instead of transferring it back to your cryptocurrency wallet or exchange. So let's get on with it, and let's call purchase a miner. So if you click on that, you've got $39. We're going to purchase a $30 investment which lasts 30 days. Click on that. Then come down the bottom here and you'll see this button, deposit from internal. That means you're going to deposit whatever you have in your internal, whether it be $30 or $300, whatever you got. So in this case it's a $30 plan, so we change that to 30. Oh, hold on, we got to click on that. Sorry, we got to click on that first. Okay, see, it's showing up what's available. So we click on that one. It's got $39, but it's only going to take out $30. And now transfer maybe, or leave the $9 back in there to collect another 30 whenever it builds up. Come through the spend, and of course process. Okay, just confirming it. Process. Gonna go through the process, and it's added onto my current live miners, which will show up here. That's a simple way to reinvest what you have. There we go, $63, which is added. This is where it is. I'm going to show you. $33, not 33, 30. Two. We got two here. One here, and this latest one we just put in. Which will expire in 29 days, and this other one will be expired in 24 days. And that's how simple it is to reinvest whatever you may have in your balance. So whatever you have in this balance, once again, going to purchase a miner, whatever the amount may be. It could be $300, it could be 30, but I'm only using 30 because that's what I'm getting at the moment. And click on deposit from internal, and whatever you shows up in this area, you click on that area and reinvest that amount. But anyway, this is Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you, God loves you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube videos so you can get lots more of these videos in the future. Catch you in my next video. Bye for now.